Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can simply hide your friends or how you can make your friends private in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, go to right up corner, go to view my profile, and then just go to edit profile, go to privacy settings, and in privacy settings you're gonna see it here, my profile, and you want to make it to you can make it to private here, or you're gonna see like only the friends list here. This controls who can see your list of friends on your Steam community profile, and just change it to private. So you can have only friend list to private or just whole profile. That's like really up to you, and this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I hope you're going to have a great day, and yeah, goodbye.